Have you ever paused to consider what truly constitutes your history? Is it merely a collection of memories, a dusty photo album, or something far more expansive and intricate? We often think of history in grand, sweeping terms: empires rising and falling, pivotal battles, global movements. But what about the intimate, personal saga of your own existence? Today, we're diving deep into my history, exploring not just how we've always sought to document our individual journeys, but how the digital age is profoundly transforming what that even means, and why understanding it is more crucial than ever. From the dawn of civilization, humans have felt an innate urge to leave their mark. Imagine ancient ancestors etching symbols onto cave walls, not just depicting hunts but perhaps the story of a specific hunter, a personal triumph. Early forms of personal record-keeping evolved into oral traditions, where elders passed down family genealogies and individual deeds, ensuring continuity and identity. Fast forward to the development of writing, and suddenly, the humble diary emerged. Figures like Samuel Pepys, whose 17th-century journal offers an unparalleled, candid glimpse into daily life, paved the way for self-reflection and chronicling the everyday. This act of writing down thoughts, events, and feelings became a powerful tool for memory, legacy, and self-understanding. As societies advanced, so did the methods of documenting a life. The invention of the printing press democratized the written word, making autobiographies and personal narratives more accessible. Letters became vital conduits for sharing personal histories across distances, preserving relationships and events. The 19th century brought photography, freezing moments in time and adding a visual dimension to personal memory. Suddenly, your history wasn't just words, it was faces, places, and emotions captured forever. Think of iconic examples like Anne Frank's diary, a profoundly personal history that became a universal testament, demonstrating the power of an individual's narrative to transcend time and space, offering unique insights that broader historical accounts often miss. Now, let's fast forward to the 21st century, where my history has taken on an entirely new dimension: your digital footprint. Every email you send, every search query, every social media post, every transaction, every location ping from your smartphone, it's all contributing to an unprecedented, sprawling record of your existence. This isn't just about what you choose to share, it's the data exhaust generated by nearly every digital interaction. Companies, governments, and even curious individuals can piece together a remarkably detailed portrait of your habits, preferences, and even your thoughts. It's a passive, continuous autobiography being written about you, often without your conscious direction or full awareness. This digital legacy presents both incredible power and significant perils. On one hand, imagine the historical treasure trove for future generations: hyper-detailed accounts of ordinary lives, searchable family trees linked to actual correspondence and media. Genealogists and historians of tomorrow will have access to an unparalleled volume of personal information. However, the downside is equally profound. Privacy concerns escalate dramatically when every aspect of your life is meticulously logged. Your curated online persona might not reflect your true self, creating a distorted historical record. Moreover, this vast digital archive is vulnerable to security breaches, misuse, and identity theft, turning personal history into a potential liability in ways previous generations never conceived. So, what can we do to navigate this complex landscape and ensure my history truly reflects us? The key lies in active curation and conscious engagement. While technology continuously records, we have the agency to shape our narrative. This means being mindful of what we share online, understanding privacy settings, and proactively archiving what truly matters to us in secure, personal formats. Consider creating a digital will, outlining how your online presence should be managed after your lifetime. It also highlights the enduring value of traditional methods: journaling, scrapbooking, or simply recording oral histories with loved ones. Actively reflecting on your past, telling your own stories, and deciding what legacy you wish to leave is a powerful act of self-authorship. Ultimately, my history is a dynamic and evolving tapestry, woven from memories, artifacts, and increasingly, digital data. It's a testament to who you were, who you are, and who you aspire to be. Understanding its multifaceted nature allows us to not only appreciate our past but also to responsibly shape our future narratives. How are you documenting your history? Share your thoughts and methods in the comments below, hit that like button if you found this insightful, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating topics.